Hey guys, Jeremy here with Rock Crawler. We're super proud to release our JL long arm systems. It's been over a year in the making, testing, evaluating, more testing, further evaluation, tweaking of parts. We've come up with 3 great series of products for you guys, and we want to help you choose the right long arm system for you. First up, we have the Adventure series. It features a full 4-link with track bars front and rear, full-length front upper and rear upper control arms. It is a welded system featuring high-clearance lower control arms, both front and rear. Very conventional geometry, just like your stock suspension geometry, just longer and much stronger. We're going to skip around a little bit. Obviously, I just described the Adventure series, which is the most conventional. What we are most known for is the X Factor series. The X Factor products have been something we've been working with since 2003. They feature a full independent 3-link front and rear with track bars front and rear. The rear features our new X2 geometry. What that is lower control arm mounts that are flush with the bottom of the frame. We also provide you with new axle mounts that raise the rear axle mounts up to provide another 4.5 inches of ground clearance above or better than the stock ground clearance underneath the stock axle brackets. What this does for us is it gives you improved instant centers for improved drive off and climbing ability. We also have a much stouter and taller rear track bar bracket for enhanced roll center. This system is the most aggressive off-road system you can buy, with unlimited articulation both front and rear with no suspension bind. You will be required to buy a new front axle housing because the independent 3rd link mounts down the passenger side and the 3rd link bracket on the front axle welds to an axle tube. You cannot do this to the factory cast FAD system. You must do this to a bare axle tube. Lastly, our middle ground, Adventure X. Adventure X is the best compromise of all worlds in our opinion. It features the full 4-link front conventional geometry of the Adventure series combined with the rear independent 3-link and X2 geometry of the X Factor series. You have conventional handling wisdom matched with much improved off-road ability. This is the system that we think that most of you are going to go for when it comes to your daily driver, your weekend warrior applications. Again, the Adventure X is a perfect compromise between 4-link front geometry, independent 3-link geometry with all the bells and whistles. Our long arm brackets come with predetermined weld scheduling. What this does is this minimizes burn through and provides proper heat dissipation for this already finicky JL chassis. Up front, we provide you with heat shield products which are used to adhere to the front long arm mounts to minimize heat transfer from the exhaust to the joints themselves. For Rubicon owners, we have the No Limits kits. These feature our No Limits links that are designed to be used with the factory Rubicon sway bar disconnect assembly. All other systems include our Pro Disconnect kits. So as you can see, within our family of long arm products, you have a very conventional system with the Adventure series, you have the very wild system with the X Factor, and sitting right in between you have Adventure X. If you have any questions regarding what product best suits your needs, feel free to give us a call or check out our website. Thank you for listening.